We think the United Kingdom is breaching its obligations under the European Convention on Human Rights, under the Human Rights Act, in the way in which it is now humiliating trans people. That was the situation in 2002 in a case called Goodwin. The Gender Recognition Act was designed to fix that problem and did fix that problem until the Supreme Court decision in For Women Scotland. And we're now back in the world that the European Court in Strasbourg said was unlawful. And we're going to bring a challenge. It was unlawful because it was humiliating to trans people. Trans people are now going to have to identify themselves as trans if they want to use single-sex services. And that involves disclosing highly personal information that most trans people would rather keep to themselves or to their loved ones. It's a bit like, for me, it's a bit like what Hitler did to degenerates. He obliged them to wear a pink star on their clothing so that everybody would know who they were and to give them a wide berth. And we're now in a world that's quite like that. So Good Law Project, using at least one trans barrister, working with the trans community, informed by the experiences of the trans community, all of those things that the Supreme Court should have done and didn't, are going to bring a challenge to the state of UK law and how it humiliates trans people. That challenge will be to the High Court. Our courts are not in a good place, taken as a whole, when it comes to protecting the rights and dignities of trans people. So it will not be easy, but we think legally, if you can persuade the courts to put aside their politics, this is a very, very strong case. If you would like to help us restore the rights and the dignity and the fairness with which we treat trans people, there is a link in our bio, and we'd be very, very, very grateful.